Today we'll check the questions of exercise 1.3, objective type questions. Fill in the blank spaces by choosing the correct words from the list given below. 50 is given there. No? The density of iron is this. The volume of 300 gram of iron is. Okay. Which formula have you used to find out this? The formula of density is D is equal to mass by volume. So we need volume is equal to m by d. Okay. So mass is given as 390 gram and here is 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. So you can use this formula here. One thing you remember here, mass is given in gram and density is given in gram per centimeter cube. When you write this, look, mass 390 gram, okay, density 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. Here this gram cancel. Okay, this is centimeter cube. Okay, this is centimeter cube. When it will come here, it is denominator in the denominator, so it will come here. 50 centimeter cube. Look at this. Look at this term. Don't get confused. Now, what is the unit of volume? Centimeter. Centimeter cube, unit of volume. So the units must come in its accurate form. Okay. So remember this. If something is wrong here, then generally in your level, that type of question is not asked. That automatically comes. But for your knowledge, I have mentioned this. Okay. So second is the density of dash hardly changes with a rise in temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, solid. Correct. In SI system, unit of density is kilogram. What is this? Kilogram per meter inverse or kilogram per meter. Where is the cube? Meter cube. Mass is kilogram. Density volume is, here volume is in SI unit. What is the volume of
centimeter cube?
In SI unit, whole
kilometer cube.
What is the SI unit of length?
Meter.
Meter. Then what is the unit of density? What is the unit of volume?
Meter cube.
Meter cube. So simple. So simple. What are you saying? Are you in this class? So kilogram, meter. Is it correct?
No.
Mind it, mind it. Number 4. The density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Therefore, 1 centimeter cube of water has a what? Mass of 1 gram. Okay. 1 gram of water is okay. The distance covered by a body in unit time is called speed. Statements given below are incorrect. Write the correct statements. Force per unit area of a substance is called density. Mass per unit volume. Okay, correct. Force per unit area is called pressure. We'll get to know. Okay. The mass of a solid is determined by a spring balance very accurately by a physical balance. Okay. In SI unit, in SI system, unit of speed is kilometer per hour, no meter per second. Okay. In case of uniform speed, one can need to find average speed of the body. In case of non-uniform speed, with the rise in temperature of air, its density increases. Whenever we heat something, then its density increases or decreases?
Decreases.
Decreases. Here, what you have written, the air, density of air is increases. What should it be? The air, its density decreases. Okay? Decreases. Understand? You have made a mistake. It's a blunder because I have told you so many times that whenever you heat something, the intermolecular distances increases. So volume increases. When volume increases, mass is same. The same amount of matter is there. So density will decrease. Okay, this one. See, write true or false for the following statements. The mass per unit volume of a substance is called density. True. A specially designed bottle is used for finding density of solids. A specially designed bottle. A specially designed bottle is used for what?
To find density of liquid.
Liquid. Yeah. What is that? That is here, capillary bottle. Capillary tube. Capillary tube is used to find out the density of liquid. Okay. All forms of matter expand on heating and contract on cooling. True. So here is it's a very tricky question. The density of water is highest at 4 degrees Celsius. Where we studied that? Is it here or in some other class?
In chemistry.
Oh, in chemistry. In chemistry, we studied that. So, this is a tricky question. In case of water, it's not always true. Can you remember? If it is in 3 degrees Celsius, suppose you heat the water, it will come to 4 degrees Celsius and the density will increase. In that case, density will increase. So, here it's okay. The speed can be found by dividing the distance covered by the time. Okay. If the distances covered are fairly large, the speed is expressed in centimeter per second. False. Okay, correct. What unit is used in this case?
Kilometer.
Kilometer.
Per
Speed
hour.
per hour. The most appropriate answer. The density of gold is 19.6 gram per centimeter cube in CGS system. Its density in SI system is, what should I do when we have to transform from
Multiplied with 1000.
multiplied with 1000, and you just multiply it by 1000, 8 kilogram per meter cube. Number 12. The mass of 50 centimeter cube milk is 51.5 gram. Find density of milk in this. Volume is given 1.03 gram per centimeter cube. You multiply by 1000, you will get this gram centimeter cube. Okay, you're writing, okay, you're mentioning in 13. A piece of lead has a volume of 50 centimeter cube and density this much. Find the mass of the piece of the lead. Density, volume, mass is equal to density into volume. Understand now? What is this? Look at this. Centimeter, look, centimeter minus 3 centimeter will cancel and this will get 575 gram. Okay. 14. The density of mercury is 13.6 gram per centimeter cube. Find the mass of the city. Number 14, 340 gram. Okay. Number 15. The mass of an ice block is 125 gram. If the density of ice is, look at this, it's very important, give it a highlighter. What is the density of water? 1 gram per centimeter cube, is not it? 1 gram. And here, ice 0.92. Look at this. It's less than 1, is not it? That's why ice floats in water. All the icebergs, Titanic hits and a large iceberg. This iceberg was floating in the sea. And 1/10 of iceberg is appeared. And 90% it resides below the water level. Okay, 1/10 of the iceberg is seen, is visible. Okay, so look at this 0.92 gram per centimeter. Very important. It is the density of ice. This. Okay. Number 16. A silver block has mass 200 gram and the density is 10.3 gram per centimeter cube. What is the density of gold? We did it somewhere. 19.6 gram per centimeter cube. Gold 19.6 gram centimeter cube and silver 10.3 gram per centimeter cube. Look at the difference. How compact the gold is. Okay.
What about diamond?
Diamond probably, sorry, I don't have any idea.
Platinum?
Maybe platinum is more denser than gold. Okay. So you have just used this formula. Have you got the answer? 14 cm cube, 41 cm. Okay. It's okay. 0.1 is something. It's not. 17. A horse runs a distance of now speed. Distance in 1 meter in 3 minutes and 20 seconds. What is the speed of the horse? 3 minutes 20 seconds, 180 seconds. Wait, time. 3 minutes 20 seconds. Okay, you have right.
I thought I didn't read the question nicely and I didn't know.
Okay,
that
whatever it is,
seconds.
whatever it is, 3 minutes you have converted it. Where is the 20 second? At least you should write 20 second here. Is not it?
I got to know after that.
Okay, but at least you have to write. Okay, okay, you have corrected it. It's okay, nice. But you have written 20 second here, so you should add this 20 second. Otherwise, where is the 20 second? Where is that gone? So okay, I have understood it, but it's not in a very practical way. A car is moving at a speed of 15 meters per second. In how much time it will cover a distance of 1.2 kilometer? Speed demand distance 1.2 kilometer. So 1 time distance divided by speed 15 80 seconds. Okay. Question number 19. A bus is moving at 20 meters per second. How much distance in kilometer will the bus cover in 25 minutes? Speed time 25 minutes into 1500 seconds. So 20 meters per second into 1500 seconds. So it will go, it will travel. Where is the answer? Where is the answer? They are asking in kilometers. You have not transformed it. You have not changed the unit. 30,000 meter. How much kilometer? 1,000.
1,000.
Then 30 kilometer. Okay, they are asking in kilometer. Especially mentioned here. 20 acre. These are okay. You've done well. Lessons. 20 when you have transformed a second. Okay, nice. A car travels 20 km in 20 minutes. Find the speed of the car, kilometer per hour, meter per second. Okay. Distance 20 km, 20,000 meter, time 20 minutes into 61 speed. So it will be 16.66 meter per second. Where is the other part? You have done the second part, here B. The first part, it can be done in a various way. First, they are asking in kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Okay. In a different way, I will do it. Distance 20 kilometer. Time 20 minutes. Okay. Then time can be 20 minutes is equal to how many hours? 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So this will be 20 divided by 60. Is it okay? So it will be 0.013 Okay.
0.3.
Okay. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Okay. So 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 hour. So 20 minutes is equal to 1 by 3 hour. Okay. So 1 by 3 hour. Now speed is equal to distance by time. Distance in how much distance? 20 kilometer. In how many hour?
1 by 3.
1 divided by 3. This again 120 divided by 1 divided by 3. Okay, it is same thing. Okay. Now 20 into 1 by 3. Remember what will be the answer? 60. Okay. Oh, sorry. Here I have made the mistake. Here. Okay. Okay. Is it okay? Division is it's okay. Can you remember? Why?
When doing multiplication, we have to do reciprocal of the second.
Yeah. That's why it's 60. Now here, if you write the units, 20 kilometer. Here we'll write here. Kilometer divided by 1 by 3 hour. 1 by 3 hour. Remember this. Kilometer. If we do this, then it will. We have to take reciprocal. Is this 3? Where is the hour? It is numerator or denominator? Here. Numerator. So here it will become denominator. So here, okay, 3. You should be right 1 here. Hour. Just I have written 3 also here. Can I? Okay, 20 kilometer. Okay, 20 kilometer. 3 3. Okay, 20 kilometer 3. So here 60 kilometer per hour. Understood? You have not understood what will be the unit? What will be the unit?
This is 4 meter.
No, kilometer. 20 kilometer divided by 1 by 3 hour. Okay, here from here. Okay. Now 20 kilometer into 3 by hour. So this will be 60 kilometer per hour. Okay. You have got this. So you don't have to mind this unit, final unit. If you convert these terms into their respective unit. Okay, we need kilometer per hour. So we have transformed, since the kilometer, it's a kilometer, okay, since the time to hour. So we'll get the result. Automatically we'll get the result. Just for your convenience, for better understanding, I have written this. Okay. So now this is a 60. To find out the first part, what we have done, this one. Okay, this one. Okay, and the second part, it's better to do in this way. Okay, so do in this way. Just change the unit in the very beginning. Understood? Next, 21 number. Have you done the 21 number? Number 21. Okay. How long will a train take to travel a distance of 250 km with a speed of 80 km per hour? Distance, speed, 31 an hour. Okay. 22, you have not done it.
It's the same. I think you have to convert it to kilometers.
A girl travels with a speed of 8 meters per second for 15 minutes. How much distance does she travel? 1 meter or kilometer? Okay, the same thing, na? Meter or kilometer. Yeah, why have you not done this? If you write in meter, it's okay. Look at this. They have done in meter per second, and time is given in minutes. So you have to either convert this minutes to second. If you convert it to second, you will get this meter. If you convert this meter to kilometer, then you will get this answer. Understood what is there? So we'll do in, if you convert this one, probably it will be easy. Okay. Speed 8 meter per second, time 15 minutes, so it equal to 15 into 60 second. Okay. Now how much distance is equal to speed
into time.
into time. Very good. 8 meter per second. If you don't write the unit, then it's also okay. Into time, 15 into 60. So 8 into 15 into 16. 15 6 is 90, 0. Look at the calculation tactics. Okay, 9 is 72, 0, 0. We have changed time into second. This second,
So
this second you will
meter is
cancel.
left.
Meter, only meter will left. So simple. If you transform into kilometer, 7.2 kilometer. So this is the answer. Always remember these units. It is second, it is minute. Suppose somewhere it is hour, 8 minutes. So if you do some Olympiad questions or some other exam, here they will not give just meter per second in second. They will give in different unit, and they'll ask in different unit. Check this. So we have completed the basic preliminary of our measurement, force and pressure and motion. Very important. Probably you will got Newton's law here. Yeah, spinning top. Why don't it get fall when it moves? It's a very good explanations for that. Okay, thank you very much.